Na bynta banyak beit ryntih ke Elekshon Mdc Khasi Hills, Bah Vivek Syiem SP ke District, Shillong Donkam kyrkieh sasan Pyrton ki Pulit, namar ki don lai pusau tylli ki polling station ki belak ban mi ke hura, bat san tylli ki badon ha ke jingkhluid, katba tyllun ke por pyrta election. Ke East Khasi Hills District ke don kendai spak lai puai tylli ki polling station. Ke jingpeitngor bat ke jingap pahara kylleng ki jaka Shillong ki bajur haduh jingap ke jingthep vote baroh kawei ke district ha ke arpuai terik Rymphang ulaong. Ki Pulit ki layok kem arngut ki satar ki bela berngem ban penbethai bom ha ki babun ki jaka hasor Shillong. Ye kini ki arngut ki bela suba bagi berngem bersit ban le kini ki kam sniu ens penbiang na dong syadong ye ki jing Donkam kat kum ki kendon an haying kashri ula penkut.
Well, the law and order situation is very much under control. It is peaceful right now, and we have no reports of any clash or conflict. As the days run by, we'll be getting additional force, and there'll be about 5 companies which will be deployed in East Khasi Hills in toto. That means including polling stations, vulnerable areas, critical areas, mobile patrols, strategic, tactical patrols. So that'll cover in the 5 companies. We actually strengthening our night nakas. That means night checking. There's a lot of intensified mobile patrolling and foot patrolling at night, and even during the day in certain pockets. So to ensure that things are peaceful, things are under control, that the public are safe. As of now, we're taking it day to day. There are a lot of public functions and campaigns which have started in different pockets of the district, and our people are manning those places. Things are very much okay. Yes, the person has been arrested. We identified the person. We've arrested the person. Along with him, another accomplice of his has been arrested also, and a case has been registered. We'll be charge sheeting the case shortly.
Is he related to any group? Or
No, we're trying to establish that.
Yeah.
No. They're from us, our own state police only. They will be deployed as in, three platoons have already been there. So other platoons have already been there. So there'll be, for the polling stations, we'll be needing those many people. Say about 3 companies and all that. Wherever there's vulnerable and critical.
How many?
Vulnerable, there are about 34 polling stations which are vulnerable, and about 5 polling stations are critical.